a good summer?
Yes, I had a good summer.
Nope.
Tell me a little bit about your summer.
Over the summer, I had a lot of fun. I worked a lot and I hung out with friends, and it was a nice break from school, but I'm excited to start senior year.
Yes! Do you agree with the phone policy?
No, I don't agree with it.
No.
Tell me about the phone policy and do you agree with it?
Personally, I don't agree with the phone policy because I think that students should be able to be responsible for their own phones, and when we go to college, we're going to have to be responsible for it, so I think it's better to get a start now.
That's good! Do you like open-ended questions?
Yes.
That's not good.
Tell me about how you feel about open-ended questions.
Yes, I love open-ended questions.
Always use open-ended questions.
If you don't use open-ended questions, then your videos will be like a minute long, and then you'll flunk. That's not good.
You'll get boring responses like yes, no, and maybe.
That's boring. So always make sure you use open-ended questions.